guys, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris.
And we're with Monsters and More.
So today we're going to do a very short tutorial on taking the blow modes from Home Depot or Walmart, the ones that we have from Home Depot, but we ordered some outdoor plug-in lights that goes in them. They'll go in like the little houses. It said pumpkins. I've got one right here. We ordered them off of there. They're what, $6 a piece?
Right now, Amazon has Black Friday deals going on, so they have deals on these and the bulbs.
Yeah, and she'll put a link in the comment section or on that video for you to be able to order them. Also, the bulbs that go to it because these do not come with bulbs. And make sure when you're doing these that you do not get the indoor ones. No. They have the little turn on and off switches. They will get water in them. So you do not want to use them. You want to make sure you're getting the outdoor. If you can find it at Walmart or Amazon or wherever you get them, but we'll have the link for that. I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to drill a hole. It's very simple, and then we'll take it outside and let you see. We've already done 2 other ones. This is last year's Home Depot little mouse, and I'm not for sure if they have it again this year. We haven't seen it unless it's just on the website, but they haven't been in the store.
So
but instead of having to buy all those expensive batteries and keep changing them out as they go dead, this is a very good. You probably already got a bunch of extension cords already, but you'll have to plug it in. But a lot of time saving, and it takes literally like 3 minutes to do this. So let's get started, guys.
One thing we did find out too is we started getting all of our Christmas stuff out today, and we tried to put batteries in a few of them, and where we've had them for a couple of years, they're not working.
Yeah.
So that's why Chris was like, "Oh, hey, we have these in the drawer that we purchased, and let's give it a try." So I was like, "Might as well," and we love how they look.
And the ones we're doing, we didn't do one of them because it lit the hands and the little bulbs up.
He was carrying Christmas lights.
Yeah. So the ones that we are doing or we have problems with are the ones that's just got the little dot lights and they didn't light up from the inside anyway. So the ones we've done looks way better, and we like them a whole lot better. So
I like them.
Let's get started. And I did try one of these where I drilled through where the batteries go. That was the one that did not work. These other ones, they do. But I was like, well, I'm just going to fix it where you can do either one if you want to. So I got a 3/4 inch bit. And all I'm going to do is just drill a hole in the back, and you have to waller it out just a little bit bigger for this to fit. But very simple. It does make a mess, but I go down towards the bottom. Okay, guys, so we've got the hole drilled out, and all you have to do is take these, and you'll see the little ring pieces, but you just clean out around the hole, just take it and push it through it, and make sure the little latches catch on it. And that's all you got to do. And then plug it in. So we'll go outside and let you see the couple we did, just in case you like it, because we love them. We think they look way better than just the ones with the little lights around the edges. And put it in, and you want to make sure the little notches right there, you push it all the way in and it catches right there, and clean out around the hole. That's it. And then you want to check it, make sure that it doesn't pull out, and you're good to go. All right, guys, so the first one's the Santa Claus. That's the one we did not do just because we like the way that the little bulbs and stuff lit up on him. So this is the little penguin, and then the bear one, and then the little mouse one. We went ahead and ordered some brighter lights off Amazon. That's the link that she'll have on there for you. And it should make this one a little bit brighter than what it is, because this was like a soft white, and we ordered the bright white bulbs. All right, guys, so we hope this helps y'all out, and we love them doing them that way. no more batteries, at least
Oh,
for
it's
that
great.
stuff. So
That's great. I like 'em.
that'll help, because we spend probably what $80 to $120 a year on batteries, and then we take them out and
It's
save
so
them for
bad.
Christmas to save. But we're probably going to do most of our pumpkins next year for the majority. Some of them we may not, but with that being said, we hope you enjoyed it, and hope that it helps you out maybe if you haven't done them. And if you know an easier way to do it, then leave it in the comment section for us.
We're always looking for a shortcut if we can.
Yep. And so please like, share, and subscribe. And we do appreciate y'all watching the videos, and watch them to the end if you can. And with that being said, have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, guys.
Thanks.
Thanks.